Come on, you fat lord! Are we elves or dwarves?
Let's go!
We're sending you in deep, so be on your guard. Scanners indicate particularly rich veins of morkite and gold further down. Bring it back, boys.
Loot bug looted!
I think we need to dig here.
Molly, come here!
Much better.
Bug pop!
What the fire? You want some more? There is gold here. Weapon
Inventory is
ready.
full. Come here! Molly, over here! Nitra! Platform! Molly! One sentry gun ready to be built.
I ain't gonna tell you again. I need the damn minecart on next. Where is it? This has no value.
Deposit time! Anyone needs ammo? There's nitro here. Red sugar!
Taste the pickaxe! Deep Rock seriously need to invest in...
Morkite found!
Locked and loaded.
Move your tin ass over here and hurry, please!
It's hard to move. Damn sticky goo. Donkey, come here. Could really go for a cold brew right
I've
now.
got a bad feeling about this, but not as bad as usual. Was that supposed to hurt? There's one for Carl! Needs assembling. There is nitro over here! Plasma deployed.
Ain't no hiding from me, Bob.
Rock on!
Whack-a-mole!
Platform! Platform!
Hello?
and ready.
Throwing sizzler! Killer be killed!
Every larva killed is one less.
Plasma buster!
Old lithophage meteorite, the cause of all our recent troubles.
Mark!
Infected rock here. It's rockpox. Ow! That hurt! The hottest potato! Go die down forever! Hey, remind me never to turn my back on you again.
More kite!
Got the menace. Bam!
Cleansing pot requested.
Request cleared. Sending in cleansing equipment.
Sentry gun needs assembling.
Concentrate oleum.
I'm getting infected.
Cleansing equipment delivered. Do be sure to keep contact with the infection to a minimum.
Sentry done! Go get him, boy!
Applying lithofoam on the rockpox boils. Ah! The rockpox is touching me! Step 1. Cover
I
rockpox
feel
boils
like I'm
with
getting
foam.
sick.
Foaming up the area.
Lots of movement on the scanner. And there it is. It's rockpox. Got a rockpox swarm headed your way.
Damn rockpox! Don't touch the rockpox! It's worse than...
Any moment now. Remember to avoid contact.
Donkey time. Just take your sweet time, old lady.
Got the lithofoam. Applying lithofoam on the rockpox boils with foam. If I get infected, quarantine me in the abyss bar. Let's get some lithofoam on there.
One sentry gun ready to begin.
Fire in the hole! You bungling son of a mud golem! We're on the same team!
I'll be foaming the rock foaming up the area. You hot noodle! Find your bloody
Killer
fire, your
rockpox
funeral's
larva.
gonna be a sober occasion.
Even the Glyphids don't deserve this. Damn rockpox! I
Need a hand here!
No! 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 Get this rockpox off me! Bam!
Somebody help!
Get back here, you bastards!
You're almost through the wave, team. Go, go!
Think dwarfs die so easy. Here, get into cover.
Come and rescue me!
Supply order.
Nitro's been withdrawn and supply pod is inbound.
No! I'm covering
Please,
rockpox!
rescue me!
Explosive! Fire supply pod is still charged and connect ammunition. Abomination.
Next round is on me. Somebody Somebody patch me up!
Another rockpox glyph it down.
Thank you.
Oh, damn! The rockpox got me!